In this video, I'll show you how to get Fortnite on your iPad. To begin, open any internet browser on your iPad and type fortnite.com into the address bar. Once the website loads, tap on the Play Now option in the top right corner. Scroll down until you find the Play Fortnite section, where you'll see several ways to play. The method I recommend is using Xbox Cloud Gaming, as it works smoothly on iPad. Tap on the Xbox option and then select Play Now. Next, tap the green button that says Get Ready to Play. You'll be prompted to add Xbox Cloud Gaming to your home screen. Tap the share icon at the bottom of your browser, choose More, then select Add to Home Screen and tap Add. You'll now see the Xbox Cloud Gaming icon on your home screen. Open it and sign in with your Microsoft account, or create one for free if you don't already have an account. Once signed in, tap the green Play button, confirm your Microsoft account, and Fortnite will begin loading. Since it runs through cloud gaming, the game launches within seconds without needing a full download. That's how you can play Fortnite on your iPad using Xbox Cloud Gaming. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tutorials.